Alright. Welcome everyone to Dwight and Annie YouTube channel. Today we're going to cook some jerk chicken pasta. Alright. We have the pasta on the stove already. Jerk chicken in the oven. Sweet pepper already. Red one, green one, yellow one. And we have the onion. Now remember to wash them before you cut them up, right? Cleanliness is godliness, right? Escallion. And the Scotch bonnet pepper. Carrot. Ready for the road now. So we have the jerk chicken. We have the jerk chicken in the oven here. Alright. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, leave a comment whether it's good or bad. We still accept it, right? And tell a friend to tell a friend, to tell your cousin, to tell your auntie, tell even your enemy to subscribe. Well, already the pasta look like it's ready now. Good to go. Yeah, the pasta good to go now. Jerk chicken ready. So what I do now, I get ready. We're going to season them ready now. Jerk chicken pasta. Yardman style. Sorry, we couldn't get closer because they alright, this ready. Not ready. On the phone, man, I use some. Sorry, I couldn't get closer. So the pasta now, you strain off the pasta, yeah? Strain off the pasta. Make sure all of the water come out. Alright, put that one side. I'll cut up the carrot, onion, pepper. Sorry, the video couldn't get a little closer still, but so the onion now. I remember, who never eat this before, trust me. Just try it, you're gonna love it. And Scotch bonnet pepper. And put just half of the Scotch bonnet in there. Some people love pepper, some people don't love it. So you must know how you can take it. Me love it. Alright. One more carrot. So first, do the pasta, jerk chicken. I don't have a grill, so that's why I have to do it in the oven. I don't have a drum. The original, the real Jamaican jerk chicken, you have to do it in a drum, but I don't have a drum, so just, as well my grandmother then tell us that you have to take care and make fashion. So I just use the oven. Just use the oven. I remember, like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend, yeah? Please. And leave the comments them down below, whether them good or bad. Leave them. No comment is bad comment, please. Just leave them, good or bad. Alright, cut up the seasoning now. Yeah, that looks good. Nearly forgot the scallion. So the scallion now. Right, now, jerk chicken. Out of the oven. I use 3 piece. 3 piece. Woo-hoo. Alright, the big moment now. Where are you? Cooking oil. Just all purpose me use. And real Jamaican old pimento. So first we'll put some oil in the pot, right? Yeah, put some oil in the pot. Pimento, just put some in the seasoning. Yeah, jerk chicken pasta. The first video is for the channel, you know. But we have a lot more coming here. Alright, so we throw the seasoning in now, yeah? Yep. Throw the seasoning in there. I don't like my seasoning them cook right out. I like them stand up firm same way. The vegetable and stand up firm. So when them simmer down little, let's put the jerk chicken in now. Look on it. Look on it. Look at that pot pretty. You see that? See that pot pretty? So the jerk chicken over here so now. Hot. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna like the yeah. Don't like it too soft, you know. Alright, we're throwing the jerk chicken now. I'm throwing the jerk chicken. Look at the portion, you see? Some more in there. And so I put in like a all-purpose now. Not a lot because I don't like seasoning like that. I don't like them artificial things. Nothing like the real onion, pepper. See that pretty? Pasta already cooked. We drain off all of the water off it already. Yeah, we drain off all of the water off it already. Next we'll throw it in now. Some big pot of pasta and jerk chicken. Mix them up together. Jerk chicken pasta. Yeah man, let's mix them up. Alright, my friends and family, this is the finished product now, yeah? Jerk chicken pasta. And see me have a nice glass of sorrel next to it. Just bring it off. Alright. Get ready to have my meal now. Jerk chicken pasta, yeah? Remember something tired of the rice and dumpling and them something there. Let's mix up something simple, man. No, not because of me make it, but I feel it nice. It's nice, man. See the carrot and something, I love them. Them are soft. Some love them. And a nice glass of sorrel next to it now. That's nice. I remember, just try it. Just try it at home. When you try it, just make me know the feedback where you get. Or if you like it. If you don't like it, what you think about it. But I guarantee you're going to like it. It's nice, man. Alright, I finish it now. So as I said, remember like, share, subscribe, leave a comment here. Please. Peace out.